Hello. Today, we will talk about how to save and restore settings in your application. If you want your users to be able to save their preferences and the state of the interface between sessions, then this video is for you. We will go into detail on the code that will help you implement this functionality using ApplicationDataContainer and understand how it works. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like to not miss other development tutorials and tips. So, let's get started. The provided code is a fragment of XAML markup for the user interface in a WinUI application. It describes various user interface elements, such as checkbox, combo box, a group of radio buttons, text block, and text box. Checkbox. X name equals checkbox name. This attribute assigns a unique name to the element that can be used to reference it in the code. Content equals checkbox content. Set the text or content displayed next to the checkbox. Checked equals false. The value false means the checkbox is initially unchecked. Combo box. X name equals combo box name. Similar to the previous element, it sets a unique name for the element. Placeholder text equals pick a color. Set the text displayed in the drop-down list before selecting any item. X string, the list items listed inside the combo box. In this case, 3 colors, blue, green, and red. Radio buttons. X name equals radio buttons name, sets a unique name for the group of radio buttons. Header equals options, the header for the radio button group. Radio button elements. Each radio button has its textual content and can be initially checked. Checked equals true or unchecked. Text block. X name equals text block name, a unique name for the text block. Text equals I am a text block, the text displayed inside the text block. Text box. X name equals text box name, a unique name for the text field. Header equals enter your name, the header of the text field. Text equals Ronnie, the initial text displayed in the text field. C# code for managing settings in WinUI and UWP. Let's break down the code by functions. ApplicationDataContainer local settings equals application data, current.local settings. Creates the local settings object, representing a container for storing local application settings. Constructor main window. Calls the load settings method to load saved settings. Sets a closed event handler that calls the onClosed method when the window is closed. Load settings method. Checks for the existence of saved settings for each UI element. If settings exist, loads their values and sets the corresponding UI element properties. For checkbox, radio buttons, combo box, text block, and text box, values are loaded and set according to the saved settings. Save settings method. Saves the current settings in the local settings object. For the checkbox, the state checked is saved. For radio buttons, the index of the selected radio button, selected index, is saved. For the drop-down list, the selected item and its index are saved. For the text block, the text is saved. For the text field, the text and header are saved. onClosed method. Called when the application window is closed. Calls the save settings method to save the current settings before closing the application. In conclusion, this code ensures the saving and restoration of user interface settings in the application, allowing users to continue working with the application with the settings from the previous session. If you have any questions or need additional information, feel free to ask in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and share this video with friends who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in our upcoming videos.